Rainforest animals. This is TAPIR. TAPIR. It looks like a mix of jaguar and anteater. This is okapi. Okapi. Okapi is a kind of forest giraffe. This is chameleon. Chameleon. Chameleon is good at climbing and has tail to hold on tightly. This is squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkey's tail serves as a balancing pole. This is COATI. COATI. Size of COATI is 69 cm length. As formidable sense of smell. This is toucan. Toucan. They are omnivores, eating insects, eggs, and fruit. Is orangutan. Orangutan. Orangutan are great apes, native to the rainforest of Indonesia and Malaysia. This is sloth. Sloth. Sloth mammal on earth because they are blind. This is jaguar. Jaguar. The jaguar is the third biggest cat in the world after the tiger and the lion. This is CAIMAN. CAIMAN. Caimans are carnivores, reptiles in family as alligator ape. This is piranha. Piranha. Piranhas are the most ferocious fish in the world. These are the rainforest animals. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to TOUCAN TV.